Aloe vera comes from India, but has become popular all over the world due to its vast medicinal properties. It's easy to grow at home, has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, is rich in vitamins and nutrients, and improves the quality of the air around it. In today's video we're going to explore some of the benefits that this plant can give you when used on your hair. 1. It conditions and nourishes your scalp. Using this gel regularly leaves your hair feeling hydrated and smooth, and restores its shine and body. You can blend 1 leaf's worth of aloe vera gel with 100 milliliters of distilled water and apply that mixture to your hair in sections, after washing it with shampoo. Let it sit for 30 minutes and then rinse it out well in order to get all of the gel out of your hair. 2. It prevents dandruff. Apart from not looking very good, the itchiness and irritation dandruff causes can be very annoying. Due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, aloe vera gel can be used to treat dandruff in several different ways. A great way to use it is by mixing 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 3 tablespoons of honey. Apply the mixture onto your hair, massaging it slowly. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse. Repeat this procedure 3 times a week, or until you notice any improvements. 3. It promotes hair growth. Aloe vera gel is rich in several different vitamins and nutrients that are important for your scalp, and improve circulation, promote growth and avoid breakage. In order to benefit from these properties, combine the gel with egg whites. Whisk an egg white and mix it with some gel, apply it to your hair, and let it sit for 30 minutes. After the time is up, wash your hair with your favorite shampoo. Repeat this procedure 3 times a week. 4. It treats dried out hair. The hydrating and repairing properties found in aloe vera gel combined with the essential fatty acids found in coconut oil make the perfect combination to treat dry, damaged strands. Mix 3 tablespoons of gel with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil until you have an even mixture. Separate your hair into sections and apply the mixture on the roots first, and work your way to the ends. Cover your head with a towel and let the mixture act for an hour. Once the time is up, rinse your hair out. You can repeat this procedure up to twice a week.